Was this part 2 of the HR video? Already we've got seats.
Yeah.
Well, Matt's got seats, not my car.
Yeah, not bolted in, and they're going to be an issue to bolt in, but
so
they're going to be bolted in 100%.
They're bloody massive.
They're wide, yeah. I've got childbirthing hips, so...
I guess for the people that are just stumbling across this build now, it's a, what, 89?
I think it's an 86.
86.
Yeah.
Well, 80s nonetheless.
80s HR31 GDSR, oh not GDSR, GDSX.
Import.
Because
these weren't sold from the dealership here in Australia.
Yep.
That I know of.
Yeah, last time
Big plans.
we pushed it in the shed, it had a full interior pretty much. I had both seats in, dash, all the wiring. So I've pulled the dash out. Bought myself a nice steering wheel that I've always wanted for it.
Yeah, it looks sick. Vertex.
The Vertex steering wheel, yeah. I think it's like a 13-inch though, it's pretty small. Yeah, so the interior is staying bare minimum. It's going to have a center console and the dash. It probably won't have a glove box. I'll probably put the ECU there.
Keep the door cards.
Keep the door cards. Might have to modify them for these. Hopefully not. Interior is going to be painted the same color as the exterior, which is going to be white.
Ooh. Color reveal.
Yeah, it's the same as the engine bay, but nicer. It's going to be a white with like a pearl pink in it. So it's kind of subtle, because I like pinks. Or maybe a red, because the interior is nice and red as well. The motor, a lot of people as well, because I work at BMW, a lot of people have been thinking I'm going to put a BMW motor in it. I am not. So that's just one little trick to it.
It's still Nissan.
It's still Nissan. It's Nissan all the way through, yeah.
We've got some footage of the engine. I'm not going to say what it is, because...
My friends know what it is.
Yeah.
Thanks to Sam as well for getting the head sorted for me, so...
Yeah. Looking fresh, with some big-ass turbos on it.
Yep. So, yeah, I'm probably going to need... I do have a NOS kit from my other 31, so I'll probably chuck that in this and just run a 50 shot to get it up onto boost a bit sooner. But NOS in Adelaide is incredibly illegal. If you have the bottle hooked up, a cop told me it's on the spot 10 grand fine. I sourced a new flywheel when I took because the motor's now out of the car as well, so ditched that pretty much immediately. The clutch on it was cracked, or not the clutch, the flywheel was cracked, so I had to get a new flywheel for that. So that's pretty much been what I've been holding off to until I can drop the block in. And then I've got to get obviously a head gasket, head studs, new lifters for it, because I may as well while it's out.
Do it right.
Yeah. All the suspension, all the brakes are done. I'm just going to get some new lines for the front, because I'm running R32 GDR front calipers. And I'm still running a 15. I'm going to be running an SSR Mark III, which does clear the 4 pots, which is awesome. So it's still old school.
Yeah, and then the Mark 1's on the back, wasn't it?
Yeah, Mark 1's on the back, which are just sitting there. Again, thanks to Sam for them. He's helped me out a lot. So shout out, shout out, shout out.
I'll put some footage of his car in as well, I guess, because I would have some from other videos.
Yeah, he's got a beautiful 31. I painted the engine bay as well since last time I pulled the motor out and painted it white, and I've done some nice little gold accents for the heat shielding, just to... Because now obviously I've got no sound insulation, no heat insulation, so something on the firewall to give someone a little bit of heat protection.
Yeah.
I'm going to start developing parts for these as well, so there'll be some parts that have never been on 31s before on this as well that I'll make up suspension wise and brake wise as well. But that'll be a while down the track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.